In this video, you will learn how to create a pie chart animation using Alight Motion. Start by clicking on the plus icon to create a new project, then click on Create Project. To begin creating the pie chart animation, bring in the pie shape. To do that, click on the plus icon at the bottom right corner, then select the pie shape. Increase the size of the shape by going to Move and Transform, and click here. Adjust it to your desired size. Once you are done adjusting the size, go back and click on Edit Shape to edit the shape. This is the start point and this is the end point. Click on Start and adjust the position to your desired point. For this project, I want it to start at the middle, so I will adjust it to that point. After that, adjust the end point also to your desired point. Once you have done that, add a keyframe at the beginning of the layer. Then move to another point on the timeline and add another keyframe. You can set a thumbnail frame at the point if you want. Then go back to the first keyframe and adjust the end point to the start point like this. So let's play it to see. The next step is to create layers. For this video, I'll be creating a 4-section pie chart. So I will create 3 more layers, with the first layer making 4 layers. To do that, click on the first layer, then click on the copy icon over here and select duplicate layer. To create the next layer, click on the upper layer, click on the copy icon and select duplicate. Repeat the process to create the next layer. So the top layer will be our first section, this will be the second section, this will be the third, and this will be the last. The next step is to change the color of each layer. To do that, tap on the layer, click on color and fill, and choose your desired color. Repeat the same process to change the color of the remaining layers. Once you have changed the color, now let's start editing the remaining section. Click on the second layer, then on Edit Shape, click on End and move to the second keyframe and adjust it to your desired point. Once you are done with that, click on the third layer, then adjust it also to your desired point. Repeat the same process for the remaining layers. You can create a pie chart with many sections. Just add more layers and follow the same process. If you watch to this point, it means this video has been helpful to you. So please like the video and subscribe for more videos. Thank you.